Welcome back to TL's Hobby Center. Today we're doing another Lego Technic puzzle, model, and this one is the Snow Groomer. It's a part number 42148. It's 178 piece, and it's a winter snow groomer. I mean, if you want to have a snow set on display, this would be the one to get. It's a 2-in-1 snowmobile dash snow groomer. This is the other version of that you can get. Yeah, that's pretty cool that you can make it snowmobile. There's not really much to go over in the box, but to do this one, I'm actually going to try something slightly a little bit different, and this is pretty much what anybody's going to be able to do. What you need is to download the Lego app, go to your phone, and then here you can choose which of the two models you're going to want to build, since it's a 2-in-1, and they tell you to go to the Lego instructions. So I bought two to do each, so we're going to do a time lapse on each of them eventually. But we're just going to open up one box, and then we'll see how that goes, and then we'll build both since they both have the same exact parts. So we're going to try this out this time, see where that goes. So if anything, I'm going to have this one up because I don't believe that actually has the actual details inside to build the snowmobile. So this is this. I'm going to let this load up so this is ready for whenever we go on ahead and start making a snowmobile. But for now, we're going to go and open this up and build the snow tracks first, or the snow groomer. So let's go and do that real quick. Okay, well, this is literally all we have. We have a little book. This is going to show us how to build a snow groomer, all the tracks and everything in between. And then we got our little baggies of bits, gears for the tracks. We got the tracks itself, and then we have some stuff to make a snowmobile and the front end pieces. So that's pretty much about it for that. There is roughly, for this one, find it, 47 steps to do. So not too bad. We can get this done probably in about a 40-minute time span roughly. So that's pretty much about it for that. So let's go and get the snow groomer built. Before we do that, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment if you guys built these, or if you guys have any experience with the Lego app, or any of these 2-in-1 puzzles, because I know there's a few. I know the monster trucks are one of those ones, and there's a motorcycle one, and then there's I think one more. There's like a construction vehicle also that you can change from, I forget what exactly. It's almost like a front loader or something like that, so do that, and we can continue on to the video. So let's go ahead and go. There we go. We got ourselves two different versions of the snow groomer. So we have the snowmobile, and we also have the actual groomer itself. and each one is remotely different. Just doesn't really use all the parts, so that's the main difference. But it still uses pretty much everything you need. So this one's actually kind of cool because you can steer the snowplow wherever you need it still. And back here you can lift this up and down. You can either drag a nice smooth track behind you for the power tracks. You leave it up. And then the tracks are also functional, so you can go and just kind of make it go forward like that. Then you can also like turn it kind of how they would normally would, and it'll go opposite directions to turn. Stuff like that. It's pretty neat. And then that's really all the functions on this. And then you got the snowmobile that is kind of like, you can drive it however you need it. You can go and turn this way, turn however way you need to go. Doesn't exactly steer because it's not snow, but that's fine. But it looks like a snowmobile, so that's pretty cool that they have this included. That you can actually build this. That's pretty cool. So I'd say these probably worth buying just to kind of have a double build and keep yourself busy, kind of thing like that. But to compare these to how big a Lego Technic is, here's a Mustang. So as you can tell, they're fairly small. Lengthwise, they're maybe 3 Lego bricks shorter than each other, but it's still very small. So they're quick, easy builds that you can do with these. And then here's a my Koenigsegg Jesco that is just about the same length as the snowmobile. It's just shy of maybe one Lego brick, but yeah, it's a decent size. It's not bad. That's that. But I'd say they're worth buying to pick up just to kind of do something if you want to do something different. Because I've never built the tracks cart, like the actual tracks for these. I've never built these before, so that's something new for me. So yeah, I mean, it's a new little learning curve. Try something different, so why not? But I don't really have any pictures of these because they're not exactly based off of anything. Too specific, so we're just gonna leave that be for now. But I think that's gonna do for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate those who stuck around and watch each video all the way out. Yeah, that's pretty much all I got for you guys. So for now, I guess we'll catch you next time, and thank you for watching, and keep on building. Thanks.